the other head on because the workhorse had the center combustion chamber, was just so darn large compared to this. So I put that on, try it. I checked the exhaust, put a new gasket in because it was just misting a tad. I took the key out, filed it, advanced the timing a bit. I may have to retard it. It doesn't seem to want to top out, obviously. You can see I have the gear for the idler. It's actually called an idler gear. This is 7-speed. This is the one that burned. That's any clue. Left that on as a reminder instead of calling it the Cruiser. Now it's the Phoenix. Doesn't look like it, but this is 18 miles an hour. It's going to go down the dirt roads into the park, but I took the air filter off. That seemed to help. Put the NGK 6HS. I have it gapped at 27,000. I had it gapped further and it didn't want to run this low. Running the oil 25 to 1 because I had it oiled up enough. I didn't think it needed the 16 to 1. I was doing 23. This seems to be it. That's wide open. Then again, I've only ridden it a little over a mile. Come back and change the timing a tad. You can hear it. Oh, I don't have a kill switch.